Have you ever tried to plan a vacation with a family and friends or using a ChatGPT AI, only to realize it's not just about picking a destination, but booking your flights, hotels, choosing a dates, and adjusting when plans change? That's planning is an action. Hi, I'm Krishna, and welcome to a Day One Dev. If you are new here, do not forget to hit subscribe for more content on AI agents and architectural patterns that shape the future of a technology. Today, I'm talking about agentic pattern called planning. This pattern is what enables AI agents to not just react, but to strategize, break down a complex goals, and adapt when the unexpected happens. Think of a planning as giving an agent a destination and letting it figure it out, the route. For example, if I say organize a company offsite, I'm defining the what, not the how. The planning agent creates the how, booking venues, managing budgets, and arranging catering. This is different from a simple task execution agent. Here, the agent creates a roadmap to the goal, just like GPS recalculating when there is a traffic or a roadblock. Planning is about foresight and adaptability. In a real world system, problems rarely fit into a single step, whether it's onboarding an employee, conducting a competitive analysis, or writing a multi part research report. Success requires multiple interdependent steps. Planning pattern allows agents to break down high level goals into smaller steps, sequence tasks logically, accounting for dependencies, adapt when something changes midway. This embodies leadership principles like invent and simplify and bias for action, while aligning with a well architecture framework, operational excellence pillar. Because structured planning reduces risk and improves reliability. Let's bring this to a life with a few examples. Imagine an employee onboarding. The agent plans account creation, training assignments, and department handoff. Instead of one giant request, it manages the entire workflow step by step. A delivery robot doesn't just roll straight to a location. It plans a route, a path, avoids obstacles, and adapt if a street is blocked. Google Deep Research exemplifies this. It doesn't just answer a query, it creates a multi-step plan, searching, verifying sources, filling gaps, and synthesizing results into a structured report. Each case shows how planning transforms agent from reactive assistance into strategic problem solver. Now, if you are an engineering leader or an architect, here are my lessons to take away. If the workflow is fixed and repeatable, simple chain is better. Planning shines when the how is uncertain. Plan must change when conditions shift. Build feedback loops and monitor into the workflow. Too much autonomy can add unpredictability. Anchor your agents with the constraints and guardrails to reduce risk. This reflects well architecture principles of reliability and cost optimization, ensuring flexibility doesn't come at the expense of efficiency. Here are my few takeaways to remember about the planning pattern. Planning allows agents to transform goals into actionable sequential steps. It's most valuable for multi-step, dynamic, or uncertain tasks where the how isn't predefined. Successful planning requires adaptability, guardrails, and alignment with our business goals. In short, planning equips agents to think ahead, just like great, light, great leaders like we do. So the next time you hear about an AI agent, ask yourself, is it just reacting or is it truly planning ahead like a strategist? Planning is what evaluates agents from assistants to partners, capable of delivering reliable, goal-oriented results in a complex environments. If you found this useful, hit like, share with your colleagues, and subscribe for more insights on AI patterns and architecture. And I'll leave you with this final question. What's a one complex process in your workday today that could be transformed if an AI agent could plan it for you?